Hello, web builders! A must-try AI feature has just landed for Gutenberg Editor by Essential Blocks, and it is AI Image Generator. Whether it's a default block or an essential block, you can use any block to create beautiful AI images right within WordPress. Let's see how. You will need the OpenAI Pro version API key and the Essential Blocks free plugin version to create AI images in WordPress. First, you need to enable the AI Powerhouse for Gutenberg Editor. For that, go to Essential Blocks. Then, navigate to the AI Suite tab. Toggle the Generate AI Images option to get access to generating and using AI images right from your editor. Add the OpenAI Pro API key. By default, the token limit is 1,500, but it's fully customizable according to your needs. Once done with configuring, click on the Save Changes button. You are all set now to start creating AI images from your editor. Open a page in Gutenberg where you want to use AI images. Click on the plus icon. For this, we will go with the Advanced Image block from Essential Blocks. You will find the built-in AI Image Generation button. All Essential Blocks image blocks have this button to get AI images in one click. When you click the button, the prompt pop-up will show up. There, you can write a prompt and furnish it with choosing multiple options from the drop-down to get exactly what you want. First, write down your prompt. Then, choose which type of AI model you want to generate images. You can choose from DALL-E 2, DALL-E 3, and GPT Image 1. Depending on the AI model, the generated image count and other drop-down options will vary. From the image category, choose what your image will be. We are choosing a product. From the type option, we are selecting Studio Shot. Pick your image size and image quality from the drop-down. If you want to generate a price-optimized image, then check out the pricing chart and choose options according to it. Choose the format of the image. Choose the resolution of the image. You can choose high, medium, or low-resolution images. Resolution also has an effect on charging you. Choose wisely. Select what type of background you want. You can go with the auto option as well. You are all set. Now, click on the Generate Now button. Within a few seconds, your AI images will be generated. Click Use Image button for the chosen one, and it will be inserted into your page. With every AI-generated image, you will get an automatically generated caption, description, alt text, and so on. Let's generate more AI images for your website. Essential Blocks AI Image Generator is compatible with the default Gutenberg blocks as well, for categories as a product image. Here, select the default image from Gutenberg Blocks. Click on the Generate with AI button from the toolbar. The prompt pop-up will appear. Write your prompt and configure other options like image category, type, size, etc. Click on the Generate Now button. The image will be created instantly. You can also save the image in the media library for later use. When you generate an image with AI, the alt text is created for you automatically. You will get an auto-generated caption with AI images. Customize it if you need. Let's see how to create AI images for Filterable Gallery. Go to the Filterable Gallery section, navigate to General, then Gallery Items. Select the item where you want to add an AI image. Click on the Generate with AI icon from the image placeholder. Provide your prompt and select all necessary options, like last time. Click on the Generate Now button. This is how easy it is. Your AI images come with auto-generated captions, descriptions, and alt text. Similarly, you can also create an avatar image with AI. For instance, you can use AI to create an avatar image for blocks like Testimonial Slider or Parallax. Select the Testimonial block, go to the General tab, then select the Avatar menu. From there, click on the Generate with AI icon. Write down your prompt, select other configurations, click on the Generate Now button, and you will get the headshot you want. Now, let's create an AI vector to use as a logo. We will show you with the accordion block. From the right side, block setting, navigate to the individual accordion items option in general. There you will have options to use an image, an icon, or none. Select image. Click on the Generate with AI icon. Provide your prompt from the image category, specifically choose vector, and from type, choose what type of logo you want. Select all other necessary details. Click on the Generate Now button. See? The accordion item image is changed with a stunning logo created with AI. For all blocks of Essential Blocks, you can update background images with AI. Select the block, and then from the right sidebar, go to the Advanced tab. Then select the background menu. From there, Click on the Generate with AI icon. Give your prompt and select different options to get the exact background image you need. Get the background image by clicking the Generate Now button. Later, you can also customize the background position, attachment types, repeat types, and size from the right sidebar settings. Let's have a look at the website to see how it turned out with AI-generated images. This is how easy it is to generate images with AI for your WordPress website using Essential Blocks. Excited to try it yourself? Let us know what you'll create with AI. Do not forget to like, share the video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.